Hey guys, today I will show you how to access and use your MoneyLion investment account. So first what you need to do is open the MoneyLion app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're inside, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the bank icon. From there, scroll down until you find the option for investment account. Tap on it to open. Here, you'll see your investment dashboard with details such as your current balance, portfolio performance, and available options. You can review where your money is invested and track how your portfolio is doing over time. If you'd like to add funds, look for the deposit option, enter the amount you want, and confirm. Similarly, if you want to withdraw, tap on withdraw, choose the amount, and proceed. Both transactions will link directly to your connected bank account. You'll also find tools to adjust your portfolio settings. For example, you can set up automatic contributions, choose how much you want to invest regularly, and explore different portfolio strategies that MoneyLion provides. Take a moment to go through these features so you can align your investments with your goals. And remember, you can always reach out to MoneyLion customer support within the app if you need help with your investment account or have specific questions. That's it. Simple steps to access and manage your MoneyLion investment account. Thanks for watching.